So I've seen these scooter things before around DC, and I've never actually tried one myself. They seem kind of cool, so I'm gonna give it a shot today. I tried to use it, but then it told me I had to scan my driver's license, so let me do that. It's my high-end fancy wallet. Wow, look at this user agreement. That's a long user agreement. Make you check off all these things. Helmet is required. 1 rider per bird. Don't ride downhill. Obey all traffic laws. Ride at your own risk. I'm over 18. Wow, they basically say anything you do on this thing, you're entirely responsible for. Kickstart 3 times. Getting the hang of this thing. Okay, I get it. This is awesome. I feel like a much lamer version of Casey Neistat on this thing. I gotta say, riding this thing is pretty darn good. Yeah, they're really, this is my first time ever using one.
Go inside this office?
No. So the way this works, and I just figured this out myself. You download the app.
Gotcha.
You throw in the QR code. You need a driver's license though.
All right, that's okay.
And they just scan it, and then it's like, I think $1 to start, and then I don't know how much it's gonna end up costing me. I've been using it for like the last 20 minutes, and so far it hasn't been bad.
So these are gonna be popping up around the city?
I think so. Like,
because I see everyone with them, I'm like, where are they even getting these things? I mean, it looks fun. I just wonder, like, balance on this, because I haven't been on, like,
you wanna try it?
a 2. Yeah. Alright, you wanna go?
Yeah. So,
Very cool.
so it's like you just push down.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And then brake is the little handle thing. Yeah. Here, give it a shot, yeah.
Thank you. So this makes it go.
Yeah.
That was really fun.
Right? So here's my quick take of this bird scooter. It was really easy to get started. It wasn't too hard to figure out how to use it. And once you get going, you move pretty good. I've got to say though, there is this factor of as you're riding around on the thing, you feel so super lazy for not just walking. You're probably going maybe 2 or 3 times the speed of a standard walking person. You know, so you do feel somewhat like a schlub. It's a pretty good thing to use. I enjoyed it. I don't think I would use it regularly. I think bikes are a much better option in terms of non-driving in a city. But if you're in a pinch and you need to get from point A to point B during like rush hour, I think it'd be really handy. It wasn't too expensive, so I got to admit, I don't have too many complaints about it. Overall, I'll give it a thumbs up. All right, it's time for you to go be with your friends.